Red 6 on a black 7.
I saw it. Please, Mike, not now.
Oh, why not? Oh, I get it. We're not human beings anymore. We're still Hank Thorne's stooges. For Pete's sake, V, how long does this go on?
I don't know. I suppose until we finish our job.
What a job.
You still don't believe the flying saucer really exists, do you?
Oh, sure, like spots in front of my eyes. What's the matter? Hear something?
Yes, don't you?
Jet plane, maybe. Oh, probably a meteor.
Traveling in circles?
We certainly don't think it was...
Of course.
Oh, Hans. Say, did you see anything fun in the sky just now?
Only the Aurora Borealis, the northern lights, sir.
With sound effects?